concrete compression test specimen preparation.
Step 1. Clean the mold thoroughly and apply a thin, uniform layer of mineral oil or other non-reactive release agent to its inner walls. The release agent should be evenly distributed without obvious deposits. Step 2. Before placing concrete into the mold, remix it at least 3 times to ensure homogeneity. Step 3. After placing the bottom layer of concrete, compact it using a tamper in a spiral direction from the edges to the center. After tamping, gently tap the mold sides with a rubber or wooden mallet until all voids left by the tamper are closed. Then add the second layer of concrete until it slightly overfills the mold and compact it. For the bottom layer, the tamper must reach the mold bottom. For the top layer, the tamper should penetrate through the top layer and insert 20 mm to 30 mm into the bottom layer. The tamper must remain vertical during compaction. After tamping, use a trowel to insert and withdraw along the mold inner walls several times. The number of tamping strokes per layer shall not be less than 12 per 10,000 mm superscript 2 cross-sectional area. Step 4. After specimen formation, strike off excess concrete from the mold top and smooth the surface with a trowel, leaving it slightly above the mold edges. When the concrete is near initial set, finish the surface flush with the mold top using a trowel. The height difference between the specimen surface and the mold edge shall not exceed 0.5 mm. Step 5. After specimen preparation, make clear and durable markings without damaging the specimen.